Elon Musk today has got the share price horned up by buying 1 billion worth of Tesla stock. We have a lot to unpack in today's video. Welcome back everyone to Buy Wholesale. I hope of course you are all well. So today's video, we're talking about Elon Musk. We're talking about Tesla. We're talking about the share price going over $420. This is fantastic. He has bought 1 billion worth of stock. What a statement of intent. This guy has recently just made a fantastic pay package deal structured to make him about 1 trillion. And we'll just give a bit of background to that. So he has signed this last week with 1 trillion in incentives, but he's not getting paid a penny now. He's only going to get it if certain criteria is met. And this is very ambitious and very bullish, in my opinion, for Tesla shareholders. The biggest statement in the proposal is that he's going to take Tesla from about 1 trillion to 8.5 trillion market cap over the next 10 years. If that's not a bullish statement, I do not know what is. It also gives us certainty that Elon Musk, apart from an assassination, which is a scary risk that we have to consider, apart from something like that, Elon Musk is going to be at the helm for the next 7 to 10 years. Now, there is controversial with it. Critics will say, oh, it's very ambitious, unlikely to ever happen. But as Tesla shareholders, we know fine rightly that people are sleeping on Tesla. They are thinking that this is just about cars. It has not been about cars since they changed their name from Tesla Motors to Tesla. We have robotics, we have self-driving cars, we have robo-taxis. The list goes on. And in my opinion, Elon Musk has proven to hit his targets, albeit the timeline's never quite right. He has proven to hit his targets. And this is something that I believe as a Tesla shareholder we should be bullish on, because I believe he will achieve these targets eventually. And it means he would be the first person ever to receive such a compensation package. It is truly groundbreaking. And over the coming months to years, we'll find out exactly how this is all going to come to fruition. But if you look at it in simple facts, we have a small car coming out, which is really going to be huge and game changing for Tesla, in my opinion. The robotics speaks for itself. They're currently being tested in Tesla factories. And from the reports that we're hearing, they're working very, very well. This will be soon rolled out, in my opinion, to many, many factories and then into households. We have the robo-taxis being rolled out currently in California, and this is only going to ramp up, in my opinion, as well. We did talk about the risks potentially with the Trump fallout, but it doesn't look to be having any impact at all in terms of the rollout and the share price. And if you just Google this, you can see here in the last 27 minutes, it has broken Tesla shares gain after Elon Musk discloses purchase of 2.57 million shares worth in and around $1 billion. Jesus, this guy doesn't do things in small measures. Obviously, the share price has had a very positive reaction to this. It's not very often a CEO throws down 1 billion worth. This has obviously been the reason why the share price has increased by 23% in the last 5 days, with 9% of those gains coming today. We're sitting at about $430 a share. Once this news broke half an hour ago, I purchased more Tesla stock, which may seem a bit crazy at all-time highs effectively, but this is seriously bullish news. So now we understand why the share price was pumping, and now we know why it's went up today. Shareholders, traders, everyone is going, this is big statement, this is big money. I mean, you have to just strip it back to basics, fundamentals here. Elon Musk has got a fantastic pay package that he's negotiated based on these terms. He thinks I can do this, and I believe that he will do these things. So 8 trillion market cap is in the future for Tesla shareholders, meaning you have potential at the prices before today's pump to 6-7 times your money easily. A CEO typically buys shares from a company, shows that he is fully invested. He believes in this, and it's almost a double whammy. He's going, okay, you're going to pay me this big incentive. I believe I'm going to do it. I'm going to buy $1 billion worth of shares right now, and I'm going to get double the payout on this treat. Obviously, buying $1 billion worth of shares as well helps him achieve his goals by increasing the value, increasing the excitement, increasing the horn, as we talked about at the start of this video. Now, there is a shareholder vote to obviously confirm that this deal compensation package will go ahead, but as Tesla shareholders, we will most likely, undoubtedly, back this deal because it's all good news. Yes, it's high payout. Yes, it's high incentive, and yes, that has a detrimental effect to shareholders. But at the end of the day, if he's going to take a company from 1 trillion to 8 trillion, and all the investment and the AI and the brains behind the operation and the spokesman that he is, these are all things that, in my opinion, are worth paying for. And there's a lot of people out there that say this is going to be a bad precedent for future companies and future growth plans and incentive plans and all this. And yeah, that's probably all true. What does this mean? The ultimate rich get richer and the elite become more There is also the negative headwinds with this whole political stance and his backing of certain people. You know, there is negative stuff that I can appreciate with Tesla and Elon Musk that comes with it. But look, for me, for a shareholder, this is an opportunity that you don't want to be missing out on. I have bought more of my position and I will continue to phase in money as I have always done with Tesla share. And I just think that this is going to pop even more. And if we look at the technical analysis on Tesla, you can see here, look at this, guys. It closed at 7% up. It has popped another 7 odd percent. We're at nearly $430 a share. Today is a very good day for Tesla shareholders. You can see here on the close how it was looking. It was going to the area of overbought territory. Today's pump is going to move this into overbought territory. There's no doubt about it. But this is huge fundamental news. How high will the share price go? If we strip it back, we can see here that the previous all-time high is in and around 489. So I mean, you've got to be looking at that as a price target, I suppose, initially, and potentially then the pullback will come. But for a long-term hold, considering all what you get wrapped up in the Tesla stock, it's not just about freaking cars, guys. It's far more than cars. And as a Tesla car driver, it's a brilliant piece of kit. Would never drive anything else again. And that seems to be the common theme that I find when people that own Tesla cars, they go, there's nothing better than this. So it's a great business model. I think that the future looks very, very bright for Tesla. And I'm delighted with the whole situation that's happened with Elon Musk over the last week or so. And I just want to do a quick video on that. I'm fucking really bullish about this, guys. I really think this is a golden opportunity. I've been bullish on Tesla for 5 years, shareholder for 5 years. I own a car. I'm all in on Tesla and Elon Musk's dream. Yes, there's controversies like anybody. There's always going to be things that you potentially don't like, and that's the same for me. So what's your thoughts? Leave them down below. Is this package that he's negotiated a fair deal for Tesla shareholders, or is it a bit too ambitious? Does this big purchase today show you confidence that Tesla shares are going to go in the right direction going forward? And if you've liked this video, give us a thumbs up, give us a like, give us a share. I really appreciate everybody that does this. I'll be chatting, I'm sure, more in the Discord if you want to get in there. The link's down below. Help support the channel. I think there's a new YouTube thing where you can support the channel. I appreciate that as well. And I will see you all in the next video.